Hello, my Makita Compatible Batteries have just arrived in the post, and I got them from Battery Factory Outlet, and I'll put a link to the website down in the description section. And so I got the package that had two batteries. So there's one of the batteries. It comes with some instructions there as well that I can read. And these are the 18 volt 5 amp hours lithium ion batteries. I've got one of those, and I'm pretty sure I've got another one in this box as well, a matching battery. Yep, another one like that. So nice big batteries. Obviously with these batteries, the larger that number there is, that's the longer that they'll last between charges. So obviously a bigger number means that you'll get more. They're a bigger battery, but you'll get more. You're not so having to come inside and charge them all the time. So there's the two batteries, and then in this other big box should be the charger. There we go. I've got a Makita Compatible charger, and that also comes with some an operator's manual there if you're not 100% sure about what to do. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now is before I use them, I'll just give them a charge, put them in there to charge up, and then I'll take the batteries outside and I'll give them a go in a few of my Makita appliances and Makita Tools, and see what I think. Okay, I'll plug the charger in now. Okay, so I've got the battery charger plugged in, and I'll put on one of the batteries, lock it in, and see how it goes. Okay, it's on red at the moment, and it's charging up. So I'll come back once the battery's charged and put on and charge up the second battery. Okay, so the first battery is now charged. It's taken probably 15 or 20 minutes, and actually rang a little tune. You can see the green light there's on. Yeah, there was a little tune coming on, so I knew that it was finished, which was really quite handy. So obviously, if you have this charger, you don't need to be wandering past looking for the green light all the time. It'll ring a little tune, and you know that it's finished. So I'll unplug that battery, and then I'll pop this one on, and then when I lock that in, you'll hear it ring a tune, so you know that it's locked in properly. Okay, red light's on, so that's probably going to take another 15 or 20 minutes, I'd say, to charge up the second battery, and then the two batteries then will be good to go. Okay, it's time to try out these Makita Compatible Batteries in some of my Makita Cordless Power Tools, and the first one to try out is this Garden Hedger. So I'll snap the battery in place, like so. There we go, locked it in place. And then I'm going to attack this hedge here in the background. Okay, well that battery 18 volt 5 amp hour battery worked perfectly. Okay, I've actually also got a long handled Makita Hedger, so I'm going to put this battery in this one now, and just so it reaches in a bit further for this hedge over here that I'm trying to trim back. Okay, I finished the job with my long-handled hedger, and using, of course, one of these factory outlet Makita Compatible Batteries, and all worked fine. Okay, so the next power tool I'm going to show you is my Makita garden blower, and this actually takes 2 batteries. So I'll come over here and grab the first battery, lock it into place, and down for the second battery and lock it into place. And these are 5 amp hour batteries, which will give me a really good go on this garden blower. And what I was going to show you, these are the 2 actual Makita batteries that I had for the garden blower that are only 1.5 amp hours. Yeah, 1.5 amp hours. And what would happen, I'd have them fully charged, put them in the garden blower, do half the yard with the blowing, and then they'd run out of charge. So I was really going to have to bring them inside and recharge them before I could do the second half of the yard, which was always a bit frustrating. So I'm really excited now having to have 5 amp hour batteries, because they're going to be able to do the whole yard with the garden blower without having to stop and recharge the batteries. So okay, put those batteries to one side, and I'll start up my blower, and I'll give this path a bit of a blow. Okay, there we go. The two new batteries from Battery Factory Outlet worked perfectly, and I'm really happy that I've got those batteries. Okay, so my last Makita tool to try out. This is a cordless flashlight. It's got 4 LEDs. So I'll grab my battery, lock it in, and turn it on. And it's it's one of my favourites. This flashlight or torch. It's the light's really bright, and obviously this battery is going to last a long time in this torch. Okay, well, hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.